speak to you tonight. You know, folks, I don't know how many of you in here have ever heard of a store called Abercrombie and French. But let me tell you, I would not eat a bite of French toast right now if it was served to me on a sterling silver fork, and that's the truth. Now, you will not believe what I have in this bag here. I have found what is at the root of all this moral decay. Now then, can anyone tell me what this is that I have here in this bag?
Woo!
Maybe you think it's some kind of a toy? A slingshot, perhaps?
Oh, God.
Now then, do you happen to know where this string right here happens to rest? Does anyone know what this is? Well, let me tell you what this is right here. This is what the French people call a thong panty. And teenagers all across America are wearing these, sitting in church with nothing but a little string up their heinies. Amen. Now, I think it is wrong to be sitting in church with something like this. Now, the magazines and the television make this look stylish, but this is not stylish. This is unsanitary. I don't know how a teenager can go to their poor mother and ask her to wash something like this. This is a fecal nightmare. This is a weapon of mass corruption. Folks, this is a sign of the end times if I have ever seen one. Amen?
Amen.
Now then, this is what I want to know. How many right here, now be honest with me, how many right here are sitting in the house of the Lord listening to me speak to you with nothing but a little thread running up your backside? Anybody? Can I have show hands? Show hands?
Oh.
All right. I see someone up in the back there. Stand up, sir. Oh, come on, sugar. Stand on up. Now, this is not just teenagers wearing these. These is little old gray-haired grannies too, people who ought to know better. So, I have taken it upon myself to start, because I cannot bear the thought of someone sitting in the house of the Lord wearing one of these. I have taken it upon myself to start bringing good Christian...
Where did they get right in the closet.
Where are you back there? Can you pass these on back to him? Because he obviously needs a desk, sir. I think we need to have a talk about this some other time as well. I mean, I'm sorry, but really? Now, yeah, just slip them on. There you go.
Woo!
That's great. I spoke to the Lord this morning, and he said as long as there's something between you and the seat, you're covered. So, who else was needing one of them thongs? Or one
Eric,
of
raise
them
your hand.
Here you go, sugar. Stand on up. Put them on right now. Anybody else? Anybody? Oh, be honest with me. I know some of you is wearing them foam panties and I got standing up right now. Come on now. All right.
Oh, Daniel.
I see.
Swing them right out.
Pattern you have church here. All right, who else is wearing this foam panties? Come on now, be brave and show me your hands. No one else? No one else? Okay. All right, so let me see. Oh,
I'm filming.
that's great.
I'm filming.
Good Christian panties with the godly cotton panel. Oh,
Ah!
let me tell you folks, there ain't nothing like a woman in sanctified underwear to help turn a church around. Amen, amen. Now, don't y'all forget to wear your good Christian panties to church next Sunday, okay? All right, thank y'all.